Is there an age limit for kids to be adjusted?
No, I've got people that have brought their newborns in that's less than a week old. It's very soft. It's just your fingers just barely touching. It's not like anything like that right there. Nothing like that. It's amazing what you can do with these, and these will find subluxations, believe it or not. You can go through there and you can feel the areas that are tight and taut and not moving properly and all that stuff. And then you just start to get things moving. You need the movement and the alignment, and then you're pretty much go.